This is my sustainable future house, and it will be an example model for the house designs being incorporated within my sustainable urban estate. It will include numerous sustainable features being able to sustain many of its own essential resources. In order to create a sustainable source of energy, solar panels will be implemented onto the house, absorbing the sun's rays and generating usable heat or electricity. This energy generating process is sustainable because its process does not require the need to damage the environment whilst also sourcing its energy from the sun, an abundant and free renewable source of energy, contributing to positive economic sustainability as well as environmental sustainability. The building will be primarily made out of a brick material. This is because bricks are one of the most sustainable materials for homes, as they are energy efficient, last for lengthy periods of time, require minimal maintenance, can be recycled, and can have an overall positive impact on the environment. During the winter, bricks will provide insulation, being able to store heat during sunny days, slowly releasing the heat during cooler days. Throughout summer, bricks will buffer the heat, allowing it to remain cooler on the hotter days. For some context, my sustainable urban estate will be situated within New South Wales, Australia. This means that the orientation of energy sourcing appliances will be facing north, maximising the efficiency of sunlight that the house will receive. The heating and cooling of the house will not require environmentally damaging, energy costing appliances, but instead applied through the use of air manipulation. In order to keep the house warm, insulation will be applied to roofs, floors, walls, preventing heat from escaping. By using passive cross-ventilation, fresh cool air will enter an opening on the outside of the building, flowing directly outside of the house. The cool air will then push the hot air out of another opening on the other side. Various energy-efficient appliances will be included within the house, having an Energy Star rating of 4 or above. Appliances that are energy efficient use less electricity to achieve the same level of performance to similar models with the same size or capacity. The more energy efficient a model is, the less energy it will use and the less it will cost you to run. By using less energy for the same output, it reduces the need to burn fossil fuels, releasing carbon emissions, which in turn have negative effects on the environment. A water tank will be incorporated into the home, minimizing water bills, reducing site runoff and flood peaks, and providing an established water supply in times of drought. This is both beneficial for the environment as well as the house owner's financial state. Lastly, a compost bin will be utilized, limiting waste from being dumped into landfill. Rather, the food scraps will be repurposed into something useful, compost that will enrich plants of nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that would otherwise need to be purchased through manure fertilizer. Thus, the compost bin will have a positive effect on both the environment and the economic sustainability of the homeowner. Modern fluorescent lighting are at the cost of electricity bills, in addition to causing light pollution. Instead, I have decided to use LED lights within my sustainable house, which uses significantly less energy compared to incandescent light bulbs, while also releasing less light pollution. This will be the primary source of light being placed in all rooms, providing an eco-friendly, economically efficient source of lighting.